Well, hello, my name is Alyssa Singh, and I wanted to share with you just a snapshot of my professional portfolio for my time with the Master's in Arts of Counseling program at CCU. So if you click on the view, it takes you to the home page. And in this place, you can see there are a couple different major sections. At the beginning, I have the ethics, which covers some of the statutes, board rules, ACA Code of Ethics. Then I have the classes that I have completed thus far in the program. And at the end, I have a list of community resources, as well as some links and helpful information. So as we go through this, I will just show you a little bit of each section, starting with ethics. Now this program is really awesome because all you have to do is hover over any of the links, click on it, and it actually brings the actual document up for you, such as the ACA Code of Ethics. Now this is a PDF and a slightly larger one, so it does take a second. Oh, it was fast. So here you can see the Code of Ethics right here, PDF. Then going back, you can do the same with the DORA statutes and board rules for the state of Colorado. Now I'm going to show you one of the classes as an example. Now in each class I have the assignments that I completed as well as the discussion posts and threads, a syllabus for each class, a copy of my final grade, and an APA list of the references. So we'll take my final paper for the class, for example. Now in each of these assignments or discussion posts, you will see a description for the assignment itself, instructions, then you will see an attachment of the actual assignment that I completed. I'll show you how that works. You just click on it and it opens up the actual document itself, like so. Everything all the way down to references. It also gives you the final grade for the assignment itself. And then it also provides the rubric and feedback from the instructor on that assignment. So that's how each of the assignments and discussion post threads actually look. The syllabus is also very similar to the same thing. You can click on it and it actually pulls the document of the syllabus up so you can see the whole course description. As so. And then you can also see the final grade, a snapshot of the final grade right here. And even a list of the APA sources that I used during this class. So each class has these different components within their section. And here's the references of articles, books, different materials that were cited, whether it be a paper or a research project within that class itself. Then in each of these sections is also, right here, if you can see the mouse, a description of the course itself, just to give an overview of what that course was. So here are the courses that I've done. And then at the bottom, I addressed some of the community resources that I have had the privilege of already making during my time in the program, including some amazing professionals in town that I wanted to cite just for further reference so that I might be able to talk to them in the future for a possible site of supervision or advice and that type of thing. So I have cited that, the contacts and their information here. And then in links and helpful information, I added a couple different things. I put a link to the library right here because that's always helpful. I also put the Purdue OWL, an online writing lab link. It helps to create APA format papers as well as see how to cite in text and also reference sites in the APA format. And I also referenced the Theory Inventory Survey, which we completed during the Counseling Services Methods class. And I did that because I wanted to see what my theory bend was at the beginning of the program and how that might change as I go through the process of this program. And if that evolves into using different theories than I started out with, or maybe a combination, I just thought it would be an interesting thing to be able to reference back to. I've also added a course progression link, which is simply a layout of how this course is supposed to be over the next couple of years so that I can reference this and just see my progression. So that was a quick overview of my professional portfolio. I appreciate your time and I hope you enjoyed the tour.